Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm here with John Clements, the Basement Doctor.
How are you?
I'm great, how are you?
Pretty good.
So this space has really improved from the last time you and I were here.
Yes.
Talk to me a little bit about what you've done to this area.
Well, here again, the water in a basement, the damage that it can cause from the safety and health concerns. Not just that, but how about the appliances that are down here? The washer and dryer, metal products.
Right.
You've seen them rust before, or the hot water heater literally rusts the bottom out. By drying up the space, we're extending the life of those appliances, which are not cheap. We're also able to put in a glass block window here so that there's nice security. Also has a good dryer vent going out. Looks a lot more attractive. And we put the Brightwall paneling up with the water guard, and you can see the finished look. But remember that sewer line?
Oh, I do. I remember that sewer line.
So rotted that you felt like you could take your finger and just poke right through it?
Right, and you did.
Yes. So we were able to, having the floor open and access to that plumbing that's underneath the concrete, we were able to get new PVC into it, get new washing machine discharge lines, and one of the really cool things, a pet washing station.
That is neat.
Yeah, they've got 3 dogs upstairs of different sizes, and they love animals. So they're going to be able to come down here and have a nice place that they can take care of the pets.
Well, this is definitely a useful space.
Yes.
And as they come down the stairs and they come into the basement area, it's nice that the washer and dryer is not the first thing that you see.
You're not stepping over the dirty clothes and the laundry and things like that. So they can put some rods back here to hang their clothes and dry them and have a nice space to work in.
Right, it certainly has improved the aesthetics down here. I do.
Yeah,
I like
it
it
smells better. It feels better.
It smells great.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, John, this is great. I look forward to seeing the rest of what your team has done.
Awesome. Thank you.
John. Thanks, everyone.